What did she do?
I got her to come here, and then
She fell in.
Can you let them off, Dad?
Huh?
Yes. Can you let them off? Yes. Keep going.
No, you're over that side. Chuck him in and see what happens. Yeah, chuck him in.
I just put her in like here. Oh, baby! Oh no, don't go down the drain. Don't go down the drain.
They're fine, they can cool off a little bit.
One more turn. I'm going to see your name tag. She wants it. No, it's too late.
No, don't, Jess. It's, I wouldn't be getting your privates in this water.
What? Same as that water.
Come, boy. Come drop right past.
Wet me.
Go, Jess, and I'll film you coming back. Okay, come this way now.
Oh, look at the dog stand.
Jess, come this way.